how can we say we're the most popular? Are we the most popular? Well, I guess that's up to the people. That's up to the people to decide. I can't say we're the best or we're better, but I could say we try our best. Yeah, thank you.
Ang galing-galing na ni James.
Mamayang gabi.
Yeah, later.
What kind of workout? Treadmill and what?
Simple.
Weights.
Okay, so nice book, bestseller daw, no? Sold out na.
Meron.
Diba?
Meron. Maganda naman po yung concept kasi so, ano lang. Eh parang sa book naman po, exclusive naman po for the fans. So okay lang po.
Okay, nawala si Jake. Nagalit ka ba nun, Jake? Nagalit?
No.
So ano naman ang feeling mo kung nakita mo yan?
Maganda naman yung photos, so it all worked out really well, so I'm okay. Why?
Sabi mo selfish ka, may nabasa